Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have uploaded the new course in Udemy platform, that is NS3 Network Simulator for Research and Education. So the link is available in the description box. Those who want to enhance your skills in networks as well as to uh, grow your career in networks. So this course will surely help you to enhance your networking skills. So the link is available in description box. You can enroll and you can start working with NS3. So for any queries, you can either put it in YouTube comment box, or you can directly uh, send a query message in Udemy platform. Hope so you'll enroll and enhance your networking skills. Thank you. Good morning, students. Welcome to my new course on Udemy platform, that is NS3 Network Simulator for Research and Education. So in this video, let us see the roadmap and also the contents available in this course. Okay, first let us see the roadmap. So in first session, you will learn about point-to-point network implementation using NS3 with UDP protocol. So here you will learn how to set up the point-to-point network using two nodes, and also how to configure the IP addresses, and also how to set up an UDP and client and server applications. And you are going to analyze the various tools like Wireshark, Nmap, as well as network animator applications. So in the next session, you will going to learn about how to simulate a bus topology. Then you will learn the basic concepts on bus topology, how to implement bus topology using NS3, and also how to set up a traffic flow patterns using UDP application, and lastly how to analyze the performance of various matrices. In this session, we are going to learn about star topology simulation. There you will learn basic concepts on star topology and traffic flow analysis, and lastly visualization using network animator. In the next session, you will learn about FTP simulation using TCP protocol. There you will learn how to implement the TCP bulk transfer, and also how to analyze and evaluate the various parameters using applications. So next session, we are going to learn about a traffic control using TCP. There you will learn about various congestion analysis as well as evaluation metrics. On last session, we are going to learn about wireless networks, how to simulate this IEEE 802.11b, the basic fundamentals on wireless concepts, how to implement 802.11b ad hoc mode technique, and lastly, how to increase the receiver signal strength and also positioning of wireless nodes in a layout using grid positioning libraries. So this is what the complete roadmap of my course. Once you complete this course, you will learn hands-on experience on building a practical skills on industry-oriented starter tools, and also the various performance analysis using applications like Wireshark, Nmap, trace metrics applications, etc. And also you will get some hands-on real-world applications like how to apply these concepts on modern challenges that we are facing in networking today. Okay. So this is something about roadmap. And if you want to the complete contents of this course, here you can see. In first session, I'm going to give the basic introduction on various simulators, and also uh, overview of NS3. But however, the installation I have not given any video, but you can find in the official website NS3 nsnam.org. There they have given clearly the various steps you can follow both in Windows and Mac platforms, how to install the NS3. And in this session, as I told you, you will learn about how to uh, simulate a point-to-point network using NS3 by UTP protocol. So the complete creation to evaluation contents is available. In next session, you will learn about how to simulate the bus topology. There also you will learn from creation to analysis and evaluation of all parameters. In session 4, you will learn how to simulate the star topology. There also you will learn about the complete implementation of star topology, as well as how to analyze the traffic flow analysis, as well as visualizations using network animator. In next topic, you will learn about FTP simulation using TCP bulk transfer. Then you will learn how to implement the complete bulk transfer applications, how to analyze the throughput and delay performances using trace matrix application. There you will use the trace files to evaluate all those. In next session, you learn about the traffic control using TCP protocol. There you will learn about how to implement the point-to-point network using TCP protocol, as well as how to control the traffic, as well as various congestion control analysis, and also trace matrix applications. And last session, we will learn about wireless network simulations, the basic concepts of a wireless network, how to configure 802.11 in ad hoc mode, and also how to set the positions of the nodes in a wireless network using node positioning techniques, and also performance analysis. So these are the various contents available in the course. So there are other courses available in Udemy platform. One of the course by name Cisco Packet Tracer, a complete hands-on network training is linked to this course. So if you want to enroll, you can enroll this course also. Thereby, you will get complete idea how to simulate the networks virtually. So surely this course may help you to build your networking skills for your career. So hope so you'll enroll for both the courses. And if you have any queries, feel free to uh, send mail, or through Udemy platform you can raise the questions. So thereby I can resolve all your queries. Okay. Thank you.